In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Cloudflare Turnstile to WPForms. If you're looking for a way to enhance the security of your WordPress forms while maintaining a seamless user experience, Cloudflare Turnstile is a fantastic option. It's an easy-to-implement CAPTCHA alternative that doesn't rely on traditional challenges, making it faster and less intrusive for your users. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have it fully set up on your website. So, let's get started. First, log in to your Cloudflare dashboard. You'll need access to your Cloudflare account to create the necessary widget that integrates Turnstile with your site. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Turnstile section in your dashboard. This is where you'll be able to manage and add new Turnstile widgets for your websites. Next, click the Add Site or Add Widget button to begin creating a new widget. This is the foundation of your Turnstile integration, so take your time to set it up correctly. Here, you'll be prompted to enter a descriptive name for your widget. Choose a name that helps you easily identify it later. For example, you might name it after the website or form you're working on. Now, input your website's domain as the host name. This tells Cloudflare where the Turnstile widget will be used, ensuring it's tied to the correct site. After that, select your widget mode. You'll see a few options here, such as Managed, Non-Interactive, or Invisible. Managed is the default setting and works well for most cases, but feel free to choose the mode that best suits your needs. Once you've made your selections, confirm your choices. Cloudflare will then generate two important keys for you, a site key and a secret key. Be sure to copy both of these, as you'll need them in the next steps. Now switch over to your WordPress dashboard. From here, go to WPForms and then click on Settings. In the Settings menu, open the CAPTCHA tab. This is where you'll integrate Cloudflare Turnstile with WPForms. Select Cloudflare Turnstile as your CAPTCHA type. You'll then see fields where you can paste the site key and secret key that you copied from Cloudflare. Make sure to paste them into their respective fields carefully and double-check for accuracy. Before moving on, take a moment to configure any optional settings. These might include customizing the fail message that appears if the CAPTCHA validation doesn't pass, adjusting the style of the CAPTCHA, or enabling the no conflict mode to avoid compatibility issues with certain themes or plugins. Once you're happy with your settings, click Save Settings to apply your changes. Next, go back to WPForms and click on All Forms here. You can either edit an existing form or create a new one. Open the form builder and locate the Turnstile field under the Standard Fields section. Drag and drop the Turnstile field into your form, ideally placing it near the Submit button. This ensures users will see it right before submitting the form. Finally, save your form to finalize the setup. And that's it. You've successfully added Cloudflare Turnstile to WPForms. Your website's forms are now equipped with enhanced security, making them more secure and user-friendly. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.